Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the MooreTalkJa post-independence. 3/4 way through the Olympics, round up, yeah. J-A-M, Jamaica, I-V-A, Jamaica, J-A-M, Jamaica, I-V-A, Jamaica. Olympics not done yet, but the part of, you know, the big part of the Olympics, that part of the Olympics has come and gone. But anyways, before I go any further, I want to apologize. I'm not wearing Jamaica colors, right? This is as close as I can get, because me did the pan road and I got the whole of my Jamaica colors from the people them when we did start. We not the only part of the medal them, I know them dirty. But I have my Jamaica ace ring, I have my Jamaica 50 pin, yeah, big up my pin and them something there. So yeah, technically me in my Jamaica colors, big up. Look here, me no know how much pot I got boiled, and I have no cover because the pot cover them they are halfway tree fling down and cannot find. People cannot decipher which of the pot cover them is for them. Me don't know who I got worse and can't talk tomorrow and I gonna need halls. Me don't know how much black, green and gold cloth is going to sell now due to what is taking place in Jamaica. The amount of sweeping references that are going on around the place. Me know say the dance, you know, the sweep me not show you my foot because I can't dance. Me know say that the dance are gonna resuscitate, and this weekend it will be the only thing that is going on at any party due to what Jamaica just did at the Olympics into the men's 200-meter race. When the man them take not first and second, but first, second and third. Now this is the first in a long time that a lot of Jamaican men have actually said the number 2 so that them could ball out 1, 2, 3, because you know them usually like count 1 twice 3, 1 few 3 and them type of something there. So big up to Blake, Bolt and Weir, not in that order because I know people going to claim some say it in the wrong direction. Big up to them for bringing the number 2 back into the Jamaican vocabulary. Anybody want to take offense with what I have just said, go and sit down and think about yourself. We could not have won 1 few 3. America wanted to continue with that type of redundant thinking. Big up to them, man, there for what they have just done. We are a population of 2.6 million people, and we just took first, second and third in one of the most prominent races in the Olympics. Do you hear what I just said? When America was rolling out for them team into the Olympics opening ceremony, it looked like a crocodile was walking down the place. It looked like say them be empty out one of the state them and carry them come as a team. When we was walking down the team, if you did blink, you would have missed me, especially if you did get the feed that we was getting here locally, where them don't seem to like the Jamaican team because we hear that BBC feed, they give a longer feature of us. Considering that we have the world's fastest man, them, you would have think them would have feature with for long. But anyway, blink and you miss me, and it's the same way we're doing in the race them. If you not blink on the miss, because we're gonna first, second and third, and we're not take back now chat. Let me take a deep breath now. Before I go any further, happy 50th anniversary of independence, Jamaica. You are my most beloved country, and there is not enough that I can do in this world to give back to you what you have given to me by just allowing me to be born on your shores. Because just by saying I am a Jamaican, people already have certain assumptions of me. One of them might be that I am a thief or that I am chikini. The other one might be that I smoke marijuana. But the one thing they always know about me is that I'm very important, I'm very special, and I'm fated to be greater than other people. So big up to Jamaica on your 50th anniversary of your independence. I love you. I know people want me to discuss the independence occurrences, right? Well, none of the things never really go like them did supposed to go, right? Like we did expect like 1 month long of dashing out, and we expect event after event after event, and we don't know there was politics that did go on and those things fine. And at the end them get it together and them put up a little village. Me never get to go down there by the time I reached Grand Gala was going on, and because all of Jamaica was at Grand Gala, me could not really angle the traffic. Me don't have no type of press pass, me not have the type of celebrity with open doors. Me never go. Me hear the village did nice, and me have the $50 white room I sell down there. That alone get my vote. So I hear that the village was lovely, but I was driving through Jamaica on actual Independence Day. Me never impressed though, because me see like in a Montego Bay JCDC put up a little thing, and then put up a little stage and like a bounce about for the picnic them. But me I say at 50 though, we are not turning 49, we are not turning 35, we are turning 50. You're trying to tell me you couldn't do something more than bounce about an little concert? And why is it that there was silence in the town until maybe about 3 days leading up to it? You're trying to tell me for our 50th we couldn't get anything better together than a concert and a village? No, I'm not impressed. Me never actually watched Grand Gala. I followed it via BlackBerry because you know I attend most of my events via BlackBerry. The first half of it, you're the Grand Gala, you sort out. You're the Grand Gala, you're the best thing. You're me a dash out in the house, and then boom, so all of a sudden nobody never have anything good to say. I don't know what happened in the middle. As I said, I did not watch it, but apparently something went terribly wrong. Me to catch the JDF girl there.
And the girl them when they come out in a like look a Britney Spears Catholic school girl something and the white boots, them girl they bad. Those girls are bad. Because I see like them a march in time and like them do some kick and them something, and then all of a sudden me hear the conscience buzz. When I realize what the girl them do, the JDF girls just said no boy no better than we. I wonder if we don't understand the message that they are sending. Oh, cameraman, you cameraman. You see when the girl them was starting to go down, why you take the camera off of them? You don't know that is what everybody was watching to see if the soldier girl them could have do the go down. You are unfair. Whoever you are, cameraman, I'm speaking to you directly. Don't do it next time. Next time when the girl them are doing the go down, you allow them to do their go down. Okay? Thank you. Next thing. To everybody who came home for independence, welcome. Welcome. Eat as much breadfruit as you can and remember that you are to carry some back with you. Please see the video that I posted before this in order to show you how it is that you are to carry home the video, because I went to the airport on Independence Day. Like I tell you something, every Jamaican was arriving and they were hungry. You could have seen the white squad at the mouth corner. Everybody was coming hungry because they want to witness whatever is the blessed event that is going to take place. Baby, I hope you're not extending a ticket. The blessed event don't take place yet. The blessed event is going to go on this weekend after we just win up them medal here. This is where the blessed event is going to come, and this is next year April. Baby going to born like nothing. Baby going to born like nothing because people are so excited. I am certain that children are being conceived right now, and the children are going to be called Warren, Usain, and Johan. I don't have any type of question to ask. So big up everybody from the diaspora who has come home specifically for this event. Big up the people who did try to put together the independence type of activities. Yes, they might not have gone off how it is that we thought they should have, but they went off. But I wonder if we don't realize what is happening or what has happened. In the 50th year of our independence, the image of a Jamaican was projected onto Westminster Palace in the country that colonized us. Do you even recognize what this means? People always do talk about colonization and them type of thing. Their colonization in reverse. This is the realest example of colonization in reverse you are ever going to see. People in what we used to think of as our mother country, the country that colonized us, are buying arms, bolt arms, to look like the hands of one of few little black pitney. Because the man runs so fast, them can't ignore the man anymore. The man carry Gaza Ghana Ferry. The man have the little girl them go, so they don't even know what it means. Do you understand what we have done? Jamaica, this is the time to stand up and be proud of yourself. I feel like when Obama did win, and I don't want to hear all of these people, but we don't have any excuse to be mediocre anymore. Yes, things are still hard, but do you understand what it is that we have achieved? Speaking of this though, I did watch the opening ceremony. I watched the opening ceremony, and those of you who watched it with me on Twitter will know exactly what I'm about to say. You notice how they glossed over that unfortunate slavery incident? Because they were talking about the history of England and how England came to be great and all of those types of things. And I noticed that they put in a part where the immigrants came in, but nobody mentioned how it is that the immigrants found out that England was there for them to move to. That unfortunate little slavery, something that happened, nobody made any mention of that whatsoever. And I feel it's the type of thing that maybe it bears mentioning in an event of this size. I don't know, maybe I'm just mean, miserable and jaded. Maybe that is just me. Otherwise, really not moving away from that. Let me check what medal score because I can't remember all of them what on my head. Big up Bolton Blake, Beastie, call me. Big them up for all of them performers. Big them up for the 100 meter. Big up Bolt, Blake and Weir for the men's 200. Big up Parchment. Yeah, answer Parchment. I don't hear nobody talk about you enough like that. Do not let them eclipse your sunshine. Big up you, because it take a lot of core strength to double up and jump over them something there like that. Big up Shelly and Veronica. You know me like about Veronica? Veronica running style. Veronica running down like she run down thief. Veronica see the girl them and it's like she set her eye on them. And you know when people run foot race and they just run wild, I saw Veronica run on the people them. But it doesn't matter. Don't worry, Veronica is going to catch you. Big up Shelly. The fact that you can actually run and win a race with that big diamond on your hand holding you back, girl, you are running at a disadvantage and them need to give you a head start. Big up your new pretty teeth them, Shelly. You smile up good. Every time you smile, it's gorgeous. Yeah. Big up Shelly again for the women's 200. Yeah. Well, if you allow the American them for win 1 and 2, Veronica me didn't want your medal, but you're still in my heart because you is a girl when you know how to run. You run track, you run harder, you run fast. But hope say you make it to the next Olympics, but even if you don't make it to another Olympics, you have done what you need to do for this country. Big up to Elia, big up to Karen, big up to Asaf, I don't remember what the name of the lady were rather asked. Big up to all of the people who didn't necessarily medal at this Olympics to make it to the Olympics is an achievement in itself. On hop off of a Safa back. Hop off of a Safa back. If a Safa never bring the medal come here in the first place, we would not have started this winning streak. We would not have had that many of the world's fastest men coming out of one country if it was not for a Safa. So on come off and back, because the same way the other day, on they try start on a passa with Bolt because Blake they beat him. Look here. Negative energy towards any part of Team Jamaica is bad for Team Jamaica. So me just love up all the members of Team Jamaica, especially Blake. Blake. Anyways, it's not that type of event. So big up Jamaica, big up yourself, take up your pot, cover them and go out on the road. And for this independence, the one thing that I can ask you to do is love Jamaica, yes, but most importantly, love Jamaicans. Love your fellow Jamaicans. Go be among them, spend some time among them this independence, reconnecting with them as you reconnect with the country, and see if you can remember why it is that we are so great. See if you can find it within yourself and within the person beside you, the thing that it is that makes Jamaica so great, because no patch of land could be so amazing if it was not populated by amazing people. Big up to the parents of all of the athletes them. Big up to Portia. Mrs. Well, I got to wind up when she see the people them walk down, because I see she and I said so rare. That's why I love my Portia. Portia know how to make a party and take care of one another and enjoy the rest of the Olympics. Thank you. Bye bye. Two things that I could not let this go without saying. One, the feeling that I got when they started to play the Jamaican anthem inside of that stadium. Now, it's sweet me every time it play, but you see that time here, when I look and I realized that all you were seeing was a black, green and gold up on that podium, and they were about to, nobody could deny that Jamaica was in charge at that moment. I start get goosebumps. I legitimately start get goosebumps, and nobody not there. I stand up at attention though. Me in my house stand up at attention, I sing along and I try and I say boom. So big up to them for bringing us that moment. And the next thing, for everybody who has put up flags in commemoration of the 50th or to commemorate what's going on with our athletes, when the season is finished, take them down, because the last thing that we need is for Jamaica to turn into a flag graveyard in the next 3 months, and for people to just be driving by and seeing all of these bleach out piece of cloth with a big X in the middle. So could we please be kind enough as Jamaicans to respect the flag enough to take it down, fold it up and put it somewhere, or at least when it starts to look weathered and worn, to retire it before the thing starts use and look like dust in cloth, please. Big up to you saying, "Oh, I walk with your mother everywhere." Miss Jennifer, you are in the ownership of a blessed womb. Big up to where we big up him fiance. Watch our Twitter followers, them just like a double right as we speak. Okay, I'm really gone now. Bye.